Dalawa na yung bag ko. Yan. Sa likod. Sobrang dami kong napamili. May maleta pa ako. Yan yung maleta. May maleta pa. Good luck sa likod ko nito. So, there you go guys. Pag-check out na tayo ngayon kasi my travel to Cambodia is at 1 AM and then I have to be in the meeting place at 30 minutes before the departure for our check-in, and magbabas lang kami going to Siem Reap. I will cross border, and then ito yung kinakabahan ako kasi marami akong nakikita at nababasa na bad review about dun pag cross border from Thailand to Cambodia. So we'll see later ano mangyayari. So most probably in the morning na yung cross border namin, early in the morning, 6-7 AM, kasi we will be arriving in Siem Reap at 9 AM. So roughly like that. So here we go. I'm checking out. Early 1:30 and then we'll be at the border around 5:30 AM. And then the border will open at 6. So yun. So dito tayo sa bus. Going to
thinking about you day and night. Ever since I saw you with your deep blue eyes, there was something that I just couldn't deny. Something starts to burst in my...
So andito na tayo ngayon sa border ng Thailand, crossing to Cambodia.
my chest deep inside. Why do love like this hurt? Oh my God. It feels like I'm gonna cry. It feels like I'm about to die.
Guys, this is the crossing border of Cambodia. So mabilis lang naman yung stop ng arrival. So right na pabalik na tayo ng bus.
If I can't have you, and I wanna be alone with you, alone with you, my love, so I can show you what I'm gonna do, alone with you, my love.
We're here at we ride the tuk-tuk going to the hotel. This is for free from free to sa kasama ng bus ticket. So there you go.
show you what I'm gonna do alone.